Okay, this is just a quick tutorial on how to post roll from an Android. See, I'm on the KillTheCan.org support forum. Go down to quick groups, go to 2019. The group I'm going to be posting with is September. If you look, there is a new icon at the end. The name of September, click on that. What it does is that takes you to your last post. You want to see what's been said and posted since the last time you were on. You just scroll, waking up, busy and posting today. Go over to the next one. Here we are. Here's the last post. You come back up here at the top. You're going to click on this little quote button. And you scroll through with this information. Keep scrolling down until you see this supporters post your promise below. Right above that is where you want to post your promise. If this is your quick, I'm helping September, and I'm going to post with them today as a quitter. Share your username. I'm DocPetey. This is 365 for me today, and you're gonna post your promise. No nicotine for me today. See, I've typed that out enough times. My phone remembers it. You gotta click post. You gotta just double check. You can see right here it says DocPetey Day 365.